I finished this one the other day. It's a spec one. I want to give it to Chris to test out for home theater. It's GONZO Junior motor. It's GONZO Junior motor, quad stack with 4-gauge terminals. I doubled up the leads on both sides. The other side has this copper jumper from Recoil. It's their 12-gauge OFC wire that you can buy. Then it's got the GONZO cone, and then you just saw the break-in video. Let me go ahead and sweep it. FS is 27.59. No, it's not heavy enough. I'm gonna measure more. So right now we're at yeah, 514 grams. Let's add this one. 647.3. Let's see if that'll be heavy enough. Okay, so we're ready to sweep again. There's the bump too, by the way. So QTS of like 1.23. There we go. There we go. Wow. Yeah, only 4 cubic foot is required to reach 28.6 hertz. So pretty good. A lot of motor force on that one. This is the DCR on that is 2.69, which is curious because that is normally the 1.3 DCR. It's a 2-layer copper 80 millimeter tall voice coil. I wanted there to be a really big sweet spot as far as the in the excursion, the BL, like if we did a BL testing for BL curve. But I don't know, I'm gonna give it to Chris. This is perfect for like home theater, and especially in a small enclosure. In fact, I just picked up a it's a table. Let's see if I can show you. I would love for Chris to convert it and then sell it to somebody, but if the DCR is 2 ohms, that's great. Then we can use a regular plate amplifier. So it's this guy right here. Picked this up for 10 bucks. It's on casters, and it only opens on one side. We basically reinforce the inside and then mount the sub underneath, and it would be a great furniture piece for somebody to use as a table or whatever, so that it's not so obtrusive. The other idea that we had, I think I've talked to you guys before about this, is making coffee tables. Basically like a 4 foot by 4 foot by probably 18-inch high, or however high they want it, coffee table. And then what you do is you do specialty work with acrylics, liquid acrylics, and keepsakes and things like that, or you do it themed and stuff like that, and then you charge like a bunch of money, like $3,000 to $5,000 or something like that. It's for rich people. I mean, you can do it yourself, but just saying that there's a market for it. But anyway, I just wanted to post this up. Super busy trying to get these done and shipped out on Monday. I got a lot of orders. Thanks for support though, guys. I'll talk to you later.